Alright, Jordan. This is Jesse and Jordan. High Performance Landing Home in the house. So, what happened today, Jordan?
We dug a trench. You dug the trench. I was in with a shovel and hit a PVC water pipe line and created a geyser.
Yeah, it was awesome. And so, the board member of the water district was sitting in the bar having a beer, and he'd just come out 20 minutes earlier, and he said, "Hey guys, don't hit the water line, because if you do, we'll have to shut down the whole town." You know that's what'll happen, right? And then he went back in, and so we were like, "Oh, don't worry, we're not gonna hit it. We know exactly what we're doing."
And tap.
And then tap. There was a little extra line. Is this old jerry-rigged system? So we were following and chasing our 3/4 inch copper. And then there's an old PVC line in there, kind of running a little bit parallel in the trench, and it was right where it crossed the copper line. Jordan was just hand clearing gently with the hand shovel around the junction, and I looked down in there and he had a face full of fresh water. I told him it could have been worse.
Yeah,
than
it
sewer.
could have been sewage water.
Yeah. The veterans have all been there, good Jordan. It'll happen one day.
Week number 3.
Yeah. So we took care of business and got her fixed. Shut down the water, called 911. Got the fire department and the water board member in there in the bar. I went in and I was like, "Hey, you on the water board? You better come out here." And he came out there and he's sitting there having a beer. He came out and he helped us take care of business, though, didn't he?
He did.
Good old guy. So and so. Yeah. No, he kicked ass. Those of you in Sedalia know who he is.